a first of its kind introduced in any government school. The intervention imparts artificial intelligence, programming and coding skills to students in the most backward areas. This innovation induces critical thinking, reasoning skills and futuristic innovation. It aims to bridge the digital divide between urban and rural school-going children and increase the familiarization with new emerging technologies which can give job-oriented education to students. Who are the stakeholders and beneficiaries of this scheme? The Department of School Education, Narayanpet District, Telangana. The Telangana State Technology Services TSTS, benefiting secondary school students of government schools in Narayanpet District. What prompted the innovation? Many rural government school children face the digital divide compared to urban children. STEM education modules, critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and logical reasoning are missing in classical school curriculums. The unavailability of computer skilling in public schools further widens the digital divide between rural and urban students. This innovation has been launched in the Narayanpet district to lessen the digital education gap. A future-ready digital literacy at school level. Future employability today depends on digital literacy. We aim to make the children of Narayanpet district future-ready by providing coding skills, artificial intelligence, and analytical thinking from the school level itself. A quick look into the existing processes. The existing learning practices are focused on classical sciences, humanities, basic computing skills, etc. Practical skills, career-oriented training is missing from school curriculums. Many schools lack advanced computer skills in rural areas, creating digital poverty. The change and improvement that was needed. There is a need to upend the current educational delivery to address the gaps in existing education systems by nurturing creativity, engaging students in problem-solving skills, computational skills, and experiential learning. Research worldwide suggests that learning coding skills will help young children with other skills such as organization, perseverance, problem-solving, and imparting confidence. The objectives achieved: spark student interest in STEM education, open vistas for better career prospects, familiarize students with emerging technologies, develop critical, analytical thinking and reasoning skills, nurture creativity and competitive spirit, bridge the digital skill gap. Upon a survey for enhancing the current educational system in rural areas, it was found by the district administration that rural children in Narayanpet district have rudimentary computing skills. Despite the establishment of digital labs in many government schools, the current educational system lacks emphasis on job-oriented skills, critical thinking, creativity, and logical reasoning in children. Theoretical concepts, rote learning, and subjective knowledge is emphasized. Coding, programming, and artificial intelligence have become must-have skills for functioning today's tech-driven world. After extensive discussions and inputs received from the educational department and the IT industry experts, the Early Coders TEC course was introduced and designed as an additional extracurricular course for rural children from the Narayanpet district. What has the program created? Activity-based programming skills, block-based visual programming language, and learning programming languages like Scratch and Python, which are the basis for coding skills, are taught in this two-stage training program implemented for the district's 8th and 9th class students. This helped in enhanced confidence in digital knowledge and skill improvement of students, planning for careers in emerging technologies. It teaches a child real-life problem-solving and critical thinking skills to improve reasoning and academic performance and kindle ideation and creativity. Then the question arises whether the innovation implemented can sustain in emergent situations, disasters like cyclones, earthquake, flood, etc. This initiative was launched during the COVID pandemic time when most of the students were studying from home. More than 5,416 students benefited from this initiative in addition to their regular digital classes. The best practices identified that can be replicated in other projects or areas. More than 5,416 students from the Narayanpet district, Telangana, are enabled as coders. The second phase of this initiative is ongoing in Narayanpet district, covering nearly 11,000 more students. Other districts of Telangana have sought to take up this model and replicate it in their areas. This program is envisaged in the Mana Uru Mana Badi program being taken up by the Telangana government. Periodical review of the program was done by the district collector and other senior officials.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వాళ్ళకి ఏమైందంటే కొంచెం ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వైపు టర్న్ అయ్యారు సార్. మొత్తం ఈ కోడింగ్స్ పెట్టడం కానీ వాళ్ళకు కొంత ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్లో చూడడం, యానిమేషన్స్ చూడడం వాళ్ళకి బాగా కొంచెం యాంగ్జైటీగా ఫీల్ అవుతూ పిల్లలు బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది కొంచెం ఈ లాక్డౌన్కి కొంచెం మాకు కూడా మంచిగా పిల్లలకు యూజ్ అయ్యింది సార్. బాగా
మేడం వాళ్ళు పిలిచి ముందర ఫోన్ పెట్టి కోడింగ్ క్లాసెస్ వినండి అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు మాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మేడం వాళ్ళు మాకు ఇది మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మాకు మంచిగా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్. ఈ కోడింగ్ క్లాసెస్ విన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేను నా గోల్ని రీచ్ అవుతా అని నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చింది సార్. మా ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా నేను చెప్తాను ఇది.